Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Messenger not showing messages. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger, and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see that Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and go into your smartphone settings and go into the app management, and in app list search for the Messenger. Okay, open Messenger, click on storage and cache, and first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions like this. Okay, and after that you need to log in into your account in Messenger and your issue will be resolved, as you can see. So this is a simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.